Hello everyone! Today I'm going to continue the topic about OneDrive, and the specific point for today's lesson is how to properly share the file in OneDrive. So I will discuss about all possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to help me reach more people and to be quickly awareness about new movies. Okay, let's take a look. You see that this is my OneDrive. I just opened it already, and I'm going to share the file. But before I'm going to share the file to someone else, I will discuss about all possibilities that I have. Let's imagine that I would like to share that file. How I can do it? Very easy. There is a button share near the file. I can just click and you will see the new window will appear. To very quickly share the file to someone else, you can just put the mail here. Choose in which option the person will be able to use. Can edit. See, this settings means that that person can do anything. Can view. Person can just only view the file, but also can download the copy of the file. And the can't download option. This option means that the person will be able to see the file. Person cannot change anything and also can't download. Very nice option. Okay, let's imagine that I will just use the default can edit. Hi John. Hi John. I gave you access to finance file. I can add the message and click send. Or I can copy the link, close the window and share such link on Outlook, on chat, on whatever I would like to choose. All right. Let me show you more advanced option. When you click the link settings, you will see 4 options that is by default configured and available for you. First option, anyone. I don't like this option honestly because it's not very secure. Why? Because when you choose this option, this means that to your file everyone can have access, not only in your organization, anyone who will get the link. So if you choose this option and share the link to someone else, such person can share with a lot of people and you will be not aware about that. But choosing this option is the best when you would like to share with external partner, for example, contractor, whatever. But remember to add something else. What else? Under more settings, you will see that you can choose edit, can view, can download. Exactly what I previously talked about. You need to set expiration date. What does it mean? This means that after such date, file will be not available for person that you already share or people. So we need to choose some date. The great idea is also to set the password. But remember to do not share such password with the same mail or chat with the link. If someone else will be able to steal such message, he or she will get link to the file and also password, not very secure way. Sometimes I'm using this option, and what I'm doing, I'm sending the link with the email, but password I'm sending using, for example, mobile phone or chat, something like this. Okay. Second option, people in community. Community is my organization. Your organization probably have different name. This option means that I will be sharing with all people in my organization. Every people that belongs to my organization and has account will be able to open. Of course, if he or she will get the link, but will be able to open. I have more settings, edit, view, download, and I can also set the expiration date. Okay, third option. Third option is about, actually almost I never use this option. I will just only using this option, I can just only reshare people in my organization who already have access. Probably this option you will never use, but all right. And the last, people you choose. This is people I already choose in the previous window, for example, here. More settings, and I can also add something additional like an edit, can view and download, and also set expiration date. Okay, so generally the most secure option is put the specific mail, but also you can use the share option to share outside your company, or maybe will hold your organization. One comment about people in your organization, the second option. It's very useful when you have not very secret file, not confidential file, and you would like to share with anyone. Choose this option, the best one. Okay. What else about the sharing? After you share something, you will be able to see some additional info in OneDrive that you share already. What is such info? In the column sharing, it will change from private to shared, and you will also can see some additional activity, something like that. When you share the folder, let me just show you. I will share this folder to John. The icon will also change. Refresh the window again. Okay, John, blah blah blah, send. Okay, yeah, the icon, the sharing column change, and let me just change the icon to the bigger one. You will see that there is additional icon on the folder that also is info for you that you share the folder. All right. How easy remove the access? For example, when I share this banner file with John, what I can do, I can click the three dot, manage access, and I can click the button stop sharing and stop sharing. That's it. And this file is not shared to John anymore. Very, very easy. Always remember from time to time to check which file you share with who. And I think also that the good idea is to use under this more advanced settings the expiration date, because this will secure your file that after some period of time the file will not available for someone else, not only with anyone but also when there is specific people or person chosen. Very, very good idea, and I strongly recommend when you choose any one option, always set up the password. Always set up the password. One more time, always set up the password. Okay, that's it about the sharing. In the next movie, I will discuss about some security audit on the OneDrive. How to check in very detailed way who has access to your file, not only using this column, but make some advanced investigation. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for your time, hear you soon, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.